Is that good?
James, what the fuck are you doing?
I don't know!
You've been doing a lot of little things. Come on, square up, square up.
Welcome. Do you know this drink, this one here, the San Pellegrino, makes me feel like I'm on a nice summer's day at a National Trust heritage site.
Oh, I hate that.
So you hate class?
Hi guys, what's up? How's your life doing? How's life treating you?
Let's cut the bullshit.
Let's just cut the rubbish. We're here to make Little Moon.
We reached out to you, Little Moons, and you didn't reply. So fuck you.
That's fine. We tried to get them gifted. They didn't give them to us gifted because the only ones we have on my Tesco are the passion fruit and the coconut, and we're a bit bored of those. So we thought, why not we make our own? However, it's a bit tricky for us because my mum likes to believe we're in the Victorian times and refuses to buy a microwave, and every bloody recipe online on how to make your own little mochi ice creams, you need a microwave. But somehow God has blessed me with this one video. He's called like Sauce Stash. I don't know, he's a really cool guy. And he's made a video on how to make Little Moons without a microwave. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys. So, and my camera is dying right now.
I just want to say one thing very quickly. Little Moons, this is war. That's what I wanted to say. Also,
rice flour is so fucking hard to find. This whole situation was stressed.
Basically, guys, the camera's going to be charging in a minute. So what we're going to do when I get some scoops of ice creams, put them in a little ball shape. You know how it always. And then we're going to put them in the freezer, and that's what we're going to do off camera because that's boring.
And it's the first step. The first step is so self-explanatory. This is so fun.
Other people have got to eat this. Your little saliva, your Crohn's disease on it. Crohn, not Crohn's.
I don't have Crohn's. Fuck, they're gonna be good. Did you fart?
Nope.
You definitely farted.
I also have a dog. I've been over there the whole time.
Hooey, you stink. It's funny because now I'm in a different outfit.
No, yeah, what the fuck?
This video is just...
Again, a mess.
A mess. So guys, it's like 2 hours later. We've let the camera charge. Hopefully it's fully charged now. And we also went to go take some Insta photos. So follow our Instagrams. Let's go see those pics, you know what I'm saying? We have got the ingredients. We have got 2 cups of rice flour. 2 cups of sugar. That's a lot of fucking sugar. And also, we didn't have enough white sugar, so this is a mixture of brown...
No, it's a mixture of gold.
It's a mixture of gold and white sugar, which...
It's not bad.
Well, we don't know.
A cup of corn flour.
And 2 cups of water?
Nope, a cup and a half.
A cup and a half of water.
You can tell who's done the measuring.
I don't have to...
Just saying.
The recipe we're following, it makes 6, but we're fat and we want to make 12, so we've doubled everything. 2 cups. Oh, it fits! And then your water.
Oh my god, look at all that glutinous.
I'm just gonna mix it with my fingers to make sure and kind of knead it just a little bit lightly in the bowl. It's not actually...
Yeah? Oh, you're meant to knead it.
One of those ones where
this is not gonna turn into how his looks. We need more flour. The fuck? This smells like primary school. It's unlocking a memory. I can't remember exactly what it is. Kind of reminds me of like PVA glue, but also smells like a dirty hall where you have assembly. Do you remember the worst things where you would you'd have lunch in the hall and then after you'd have assembly and there'll be like sweet corn on the floor and it was like ugh. What am I doing? This is glue. I've made glue. Feral! Did I just burp on the flour? Don't I need help!
Oh no.
Grab that and put some flour in here, please.
Oh no. I didn't know what to expect when I came in here.
It's working!
Mochi in a steamer without a microwave.
Yeah, we've got to do it without a microwave because Mum don't let us have a microwave, will she?
So our mother decided to be a visco girl.
A visco girl, yes. Because she said radiation. That's so bad for you and the environment. You cannot have a microwave. And I'm like, Mum, I just want a microwave for mac and cheese. Oh my god, I've done it!
Well
thank you,
baby.
Thank you! Oh my god, it's actually working. It's like
Where's games?
Games? Games is outside gardening.
Games and mother. Gardening forever. Did your ring come off?
No, my ring is on.
You idiot. Which ring is that? Is that expensive one that James got?
Yes. Guys.
Don't tell him.
Now it has finally turned into a lovely dough. Once you've got your dough, what you're gonna do is... So what you're gonna... Fuck, I'm a mess. So what you're gonna do is get your little rice flour once it's all doughed up. And what you're gonna do is... Sorry for that. Get yourself a pan. Oh, no nip slip here.
I'm following you around like a
yeah, get yourself some kettle water. Make sure there's no lime scale in there. The guy that I'm following the recipe with, he has a steamer, but I don't have a steamer. So I thought, well, this could kind of be like a steamer. That like that.
The water needs to be touching it, you do realise, otherwise the bowl will crack.
Stop.
Yeah, it's got a wet bottom.
Then you're going to do this. Oh, no!
Do that! Burn the bloody house down!
Do this. Oh! And do this. I don't know why.
It's like raise... Is this to raise the dough?
It's to do something. Okay, so I'm now emptying out the steamy water because the glutinous flour is now looking like this. And now basically what we've got to do is we've got to put this into here and then we're going to slowly add the 2 cups of sugar. That is a mountain of sugar.
I know.
You know the little moons only have 7 grams of sugar each and that's 2 cups. So how the fuck did they make that flour without it being so sugary? This shit is really, really sticky.
That's what she said.
Also, James, would you like to tell them what you've just done to make this video even more chaotic?
Right, it's not my fault, but do you know the app Too Good To Go? I'm gonna flip over.
Yeah.
The app Too Good To Go, basically what happens is, you just stop wasting food. So, I don't know, like Costa's like, oh, you can buy a mystery bag for like... £3. And then Isabel's like, oh, yeah. Normally, you can't buy it the day of it, it's like for tomorrow, you know, because that's how it works. So we're like, okay, we'll get it for tomorrow because I'm doing a 10,000 calorie challenge on my channel. She's like, buy it. Nina, buy it.
I said, oh yeah, why don't you get it?
And that's what I did. You know, I'm saving world hunger.
And then we were like, oh shit, that says today in an hour's time.
So we've got 7 minutes until collection starts, and we're mid-ball. So either I'm not going to save world hunger, or something's going to fail.
Add in the sugar, mix it all together. Just gonna keep mixing.
Maybe I should call him.
Oh yeah, the sugar is making it a lot more like
gooey.
Whack it all in there.
Fuck it, fuck the system, am I right? Someone say Mockingjay Pot 3.
We've been watching all that Hunger Games and James is getting a bit dorky with it.
Right, okay, here's a hot take for you. Am I dorky?
Yes. He walks on his tippy toes.
I can't help that. I've literally...
He's gone his whole 20 years of living without realising he walks on his tippy toes, and obviously my family have no filter, so we're like, James, why are you walking on your tippy toes? So now we're teaching him how to walk again. And we're like, oh James, you're just such a little dork.
We googled the reasons why I might be walking like this, and they say one is a sign of autism.
Or ADD, which you definitely
have. And she said that I can't go to Talkfest if I don't walk properly.
That is not what I said. I said you might want to be walking properly for a Talkfest. Then you want to get a baking tray or any sort of tray like this, and you want to get your cornstarch or corn flour, it's the same thing, and just shake it all around so your glutinous flour does not stick. You have to be patient with yourself because this shit is going to stick everywhere.
Also be very hot.
Oh yeah, so be careful. Yeah, if you're a child watching this, please don't do this by yourself. Not condone that. 16 plus if you want to play fire. So we have our mochi on the thing and we have made so much. We have a fuck ton and it is boiling hot, so it's kind of good that we're leaving the house to let it cool down.
We recommend just cooling it down before you like mess around with it. Ours is thick and long.
That's what she said.
That's what she said.
You also need a rolling pin. Hi guys, so we got the Too Good To Go and we got 2 bacon wraps and a cheddar and tomato panini. But we all have to cook them at home, don't we? So we can't eat it right now, which is kind of a letdown. So we went to Sainsbury's and we got a coffee and some pineapple. Anyways, guys, we're back and we're better. I kind of showed you on my phone, but we got the Too Good To Go shit.
You just appreciate our outfits today.
We do look kind of cool.
We do look kind of cool.
So it's cooled down, so this is what it looks like.
It's a bit lumpy. Like,
well, this was our first go. Cut us some slack, for God's sake.
It's like...
So we've got a little plastic cup, and what we're going to do is we're just going to do that. And then roll them.
That's kind of like where we're at with these.
We've got some small boys and some thick boys.
And I like the chocolate ones are...
Here I go. Oh, it worked! Oh, it's...
Oh.
It's not smooth.
I told you it's not.
It's not a smooth boy.
We try and make these videos not chaotic, but it always seems to be just the
in
worst.
This house, every day is chaotic. You can't escape it. Eat as much as you try.
You can schedule your day, and then suddenly, you know, Laurie will come in and be like, fucking lightning just struck the house for the second time.
Yeah.
These are...
Look, don't
thin.
diss them, my
Bro,
guy.
I'm trying not to.
Does that mean we're not Little Moons shouldn't be scared? Because you said...
Little Moons, this is just a start. You've had a whole career in this.
Did you think Little Moons started from like homemade?
Must be.
And then...
You wouldn't... It's such a weird thing to...
How the fuck do you just
I think
create a mochi business?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11, 12!
Whoa! You nearly tried to knock me out, bro!
That wasn't even... Oh, yes then, brother!
Right, let's go.
Let's get cracking. How are we going to get this out of the
Oh shit, we should be quick as we can because it's going to be
Oh
melted.
shit, yeah, fuck. That looks so shit. Oh fuck, it's breaking.
Bruh, this is not the one, Chief.
I've done one.
Oh my god.
I don't care, as long as we make one good one, that's all I care about.
We need a bigger cup!
Well, I don't have a bigger cup!
Is that good?
That's, James, what the fuck are you doing?
I don't know!
You're meant to pinch it together.
I did!
It's going so wrong! It's melting, and this is getting a bit stressful. It's a lot of pressure though when your whole family is like, oh, they better be good. Oh.
Bro, I'm not Japanese.
I've got a family of fucking 5 or 6 to feed. What?
Okay, James, okay.
See ya.
See ya.
Who the fuck came up with this idea?
How can you just make this?
Yeah.
Fuck! I hate getting stuff wrong.
Yo! Oh my word, have you done that? Yeah, and then you bring that up there. It's not how you do it.
I mean, you finish it, but like, that's good size.
See, you've got too much.
Yes, I've fucking done it!
Hey guys, you want to put cling film on them after you've done it, just so they stay in place and they don't like...
Especially in a ball
leak.
shape.
Yep, pinch, yep. Get the sides, yep. James decided to eat it while it was like this. The sorbet is just too far gone, it's way too melted. Is it bad?
I feel really horrible eating this mochi stuff. The texture's like shit.
Okay, well, scratch that. Let's wait to see how the others are turning out, the ones in the freezer.
Is that good?
Okay, so it's been like, how long do you think this is going to be? It's been
about 3 hours.
3 hours. So this is what they look like. It looks like they've melted out of the mochi dough.
I think what's happened...
Oh, I'm not too sure.
Thank you for the great experience and cheers. Go.
Eat it. It's just dough. It hasn't got any ice cream. Oh, it's doughy.
Oh fuck!
James! You just spilled water all over the floor.
Why are you eating it?
Try and make it nice. No.
I'm sorry, it's not worth it. It's
Do you know,
so disgusting.
that's what it looks like. It looks nice actually, can't even lie.
It does look nice, but it's just, I know how much sugar is in this like dough. It's putting me off. There's
My fingers are kind of
big
stuck
cups,
to it.
and it doesn't taste enough. It's not worth the calories. Do you know what I mean?
Should we try it, Ross?
Oh, I can't do
I
that.
don't want to try it.
No.
Come on. It's like eating a seed.
Eating a seed, more like eating a peed. Moral of the story is, girls, just get a pack of Little Moons. Order them online, or maybe they'll get back to you and they might gift you some, whereas Little Moons didn't get back to me.
Yeah, Little Moons, what are you going to say about that one, huh?
Come on, square up, square up. What's it? Oh.
Do you suck at the camera? What's this? What's this, Little Moons?
Little Moons, if you're watching this, please reply back to me.
And me.
No, then they're being simps.
Anyway, like, comment, and subscribe. Give a little subscribe, kids. I don't know what my next video will be. I'll probably do like a haul or something like this, something like that, something easy. No more of this.
You're gonna need a haul because look at this. Anyway.
Anyway, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Peace, love, and Jesus, and I'll see you in my next video.